All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV, Sports TV actually. Let me turn on the light. Good. So, anyways, so Waterhouse actually finally got it over the line in the Concacaf Caribbean Club Championship. They finally got it over the line after 4-0 victory this evening. Congratulations. Going to get into some details about the game. Most definitely, unfortunately, Cavaliers didn't get to go this far. It was a tough journey for Waterhouse, but most definitely one in which they can learn a lot of lessons from going into the next phase of the Concacaf League. What? Scotia League, actually. Yeah, so, but guess what? Guys, before I get into that, please smash the like button. Please hit the subscribe button. I'm just going to read an article from Sportsmax detailing some information in regards to the game surrounding. But most definitely, hopefully, guys are doing good. I'm happy for them. Congratulations, Waterhouse. Congratulations, all the players. Well done. Hard fought games. You didn't get the position that you wanted in regards to the games that you played, but you wait until down to the final day, defeating the Puerto Rican side. Let's get into it, people. Let's get into the article. I won't bring up the article this time around. I'm just going to read it for you guys. So, Leslie Achik pushes Waterhouse to big win over Bayamon in CONCACAF League playoff. Remember, Leslie came on late in the game and he secured an Achik. Lovely. I'm going to bring it up. I think I'm going to bring it up. So give me a second. Let me bring it up so you guys can see. Window catcher. Where is the window catcher? Alright, so let me see if it is active. Good. Alright, so it needs a little bit of adjusting. As you can see, that is Leslie right there. I do believe that he had a wonderful game, coming on and being impactful. Very, very impactful. Good. I think that is more than enough. Alright, so let me get into the article. Let me get into the details. So as I said, Leslie Hattrick pushes Waterhouse to big win over Bayamon in the CONCACAF League playoff. So let's get into it. Angie Leslie notched a hat-trick to help power Jamaican side Waterhouse to a 4-0 victory over Bayamon FC of the Puerto Rico in 2022 Scotiabank Concacaf League playoff on Wednesday afternoon at the Estadio Cibao FC in Santiago de los Ceballos, Dominican Republic. It's Ceballos because, as you know, I know Arsenal had a player called Ceballos, so I know. Fresh off their fourth place finish in the 2022 Flow CONCACAF Caribbean Club Championship over the weekend, Waterhouse enjoyed a prolific second half with 4 goals to defeat the 2022 CONCACAF Caribbean Club Shield winners and secured their place in this year's SCL. A tight, intense first half gave way to a much more open second half, and the key moment came in the 67th minute when Stephen Williams struck for the game's first goal with sensational left-footed strike from outside the area that beat the Bayamon goalkeeper Joel Soreno. A wonderful strike, people. He hit that like a gunshot. He really whipped his left peg in that one. With the advantage, Waterhouse could play to their liking, and Leslie would take over, scoring his first goal in 78 minutes to double the Jamaican side's lead to 2-0 with a strong left foot shot swung into the net. Leslie was just getting started as soon enough in the 84th minute it was 3-0 to Waterhouse, thanks to a composed left foot finish from the player the player inside the area. Yeah, it actually was a layup for him. The SCL clinching day for Waterhouse was the cap in 87 minutes as Leslie completed his hat-trick and put the ball on the 4-0 scoreline courtesy of another right-footed shot. If you guys see the goal, there was some really good goals. Not much there. Not much there. Not much to see there. Not much at all to see there. But most definitely they did have in the before the playoff in the club championships they played like they won one game. I think they won one game, they drew one, and then they lost one. They lost the important one. They lost the important one. Then no, I think this is the fourth game. Yeah, this is the fourth game that they won. So that's 4 games in a short time span. Wow, that's a lot. And then Waterhouse would actually leave from here, going into the weekend, to play again. Let's see. I will be doing a preview for that tomorrow, which they have a tough fixtures. But nevertheless, to Waterhouse, you guys represented well. You guys really represented well. Let me check. So it's Monday Night Football against Tivoli Garden. I do think that they would have learned a lot from this experience, specifically the young players, the Beckford and these guys. They would have learned a lot from this experience, and I do think that even the coach himself would have garnered some form of knowledge from this exposure, specifically against the games that they lost and the games that they find it difficult in getting it over the line. They play Violet, they play Real Vega. I think Real Vega is the one who defeated them. But nevertheless, it was a tough tournament for them. They played a lot of games. They played a lot of games, and they finally got it over the line. But most definitely, congratulations, Waterhouse. You guys did well. You guys represented yourself well. You could have done better. Yes, you could have done better. But most definitely, this exposure significantly is good for you guys. And I think there's more to come. Well done again, Waterhouse. And see you guys again coming over the weekend, doing a few interviews with some of the players. And we'll see how this one goes. But guess what, people? This has been a good one. Until next time, Military Guna TV. Waterhouse defeated Bayamon FC from Puerto Rico. Good one, 4-0. And Waterhouse are through to the Concacaf. Is it the Scotiabank Concacaf League? I think that's the name of it now, the Concacaf League. Yeah, but anyways, big up, people. Thank you very much for tuning in. Massive respect. See you guys again next time. We are out. Boom.